Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best 3D printer filament is probably one of the most crucial components for any maker, hobbyist, or professional looking to bring their digital designs into the physical world, as the quality, type, and properties of the filament directly impact the success, durability, and aesthetic appeal of every print, making the choice of filament a foundational decision that can elevate your creations from simple prototypes to intricate masterpieces or functional end-use parts. Number 5. ANYCUBIC PLA 3D Printer Filament Texture Gray. Experience a smarter printing process with our intelligent identification chips. They seamlessly integrate with compatible printers, automatically recognizing printing information for an improved experience. Achieve precise results with filament that boasts a minimum dimensional tolerance of plus 0.02 mm. This ensures a smoother outflow and homogeneous prints, with minimal shrinkage for excellent layer fusion and bridging. Our filament is neatly spooled, preventing tangles and ensuring a smooth feeding experience. This means no clogging or under-extrusion, resulting in cleaner prints with less stringing and warping. Enjoy a stable printing experience thanks to our clog-free design. It's completely dried and vacuum-sealed to prevent bubbles, ensuring smoother and more consistent extrusion. This filament offers excellent compatibility with a wide range of temperatures and printing speeds. It's designed to work seamlessly with most mainstream 3D printers on the market. What we like. This filament features an intelligent identification chip that automatically recognizes printing information. Its accuracy of plus 0.02 mm ensures smooth extrusion and consistent results. If you are looking for a hassle-free printing experience with smart features, you should consider this. What people say. The printer is very easy to set up and start printing within 30 minutes. The print quality is excellent, with fine details and smooth surfaces. The auto-leveling feature works perfectly, ensuring consistent first layers. Number 4. OVERTURE PLA Filament 1.75 mm Black. Experience unparalleled accuracy with our 1.75 mm filament. Its diameter is consistently maintained within plus 0.02 mm, thanks to real-time monitoring and advanced control. Say goodbye to clogs and bubbles. Our patented formula ensures a smooth printing experience, and each spool is dried and vacuum-sealed for optimal quality. Enjoy a hassle-free printing journey with our meticulously wound filament. The tangle-free design and larger spool diameter reduce friction for effortless feeding. This filament seamlessly integrates with most 3D printers, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Choose from a wide selection of vibrant colors to bring your ideas to life. Print with confidence knowing you have dedicated support and a 1-year shelf life for unopened spools. We are your reliable partner for a seamless 3D printing experience. What we like. Utilizing advanced CCD cameras for real-time monitoring, this filament guarantees dimensional accuracy and consistency. It also boasts a patented clog-free formula and is meticulously wound to prevent tangles. If you prioritize reliability and a smooth printing process with minimal issues, this is a great choice. What people say. The printer is very easy to set up and start printing within 30 minutes. The print quality is excellent, with fine details and smooth surfaces. The auto-leveling feature works perfectly, ensuring consistent first layers. Number 3. OVERTURE High-Speed PLA Filament 1.75 mm White. Experience unparalleled precision with our filament. Advanced technology ensures a consistent 1.75 mm diameter with a tight tolerance of plus 0.02 mm for reliable prints every time. Say goodbye to printing frustrations. Our patented formula and thorough drying process prevent clogs and bubbles, delivering a smooth and seamless printing experience. Enjoy a hassle-free printing journey. Our meticulously wound filament feeds smoothly thanks to its tangle-free design and larger spool diameter, minimizing friction. Bring your ideas to life with our versatile filament. It seamlessly integrates with most 3D printers, and our wide range of vibrant colors offers endless creative possibilities. Print with confidence knowing you're covered by our lifetime satisfaction guarantee. We are committed to providing you with a dependable and worry-free 3D printing experience. What we like. This filament is specifically designed for high-speed printing, allowing for rapid PLA output without compromising quality. It also comes with a lifetime satisfaction guarantee for worry-free use. If you are looking to speed up your printing projects and want a product backed by a strong guarantee, this is the one for you. What people say. The printer is very easy to set up and start printing within 15 minutes. The auto-leveling feature works flawlessly, saving a lot of hassle. Prints come out incredibly detailed and smooth, even on complex models. Number 2. LOVOON Silk Rainbow PLA Filament 1.75 mm. Discover the magic of 3D printing with our unique tricolor PLA filament. It's designed to bring your creations to life with a vibrant spectrum of red, blue, and green in every print. Experience a beautiful, silky smooth finish on all your 3D prints. Its glossy appearance and fast color changing feature make intricate designs easy to achieve. Enjoy a seamless printing experience thanks to its precise plus 0.02 mm diameter tolerance. This ensures smooth extrusion without jams, bubbles, or tangles, allowing your creativity to flow. Our filament is designed to work with most FDM 3D printers and pens on the market. Achieve optimal results and a vibrant sheen by printing at a recommended nozzle temperature of 230 degrees Celsius. Each spool is vacuum sealed with a desiccant to maintain top quality. It comes in attractive gift packaging, perfect for sharing the joy of 3D printing with friends and family. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, our support team is ready to provide a helpful solution. What we like. Experience vibrant, multicolored prints with this unique tricolor co-extruded filament, featuring a beautiful silk-like sheen. It's designed for easy printing with a plus 0.02 mm tolerance, ensuring no jamming or bubbling. If you love creating visually stunning and colorful models with a glossy finish, this filament will let your imagination run wild. What people say. The printer has a built-in filament runout sensor that pauses the print automatically when the filament runs out, preventing failed prints. It features a flexible magnetic build plate that makes removing prints easy and hassle-free. The auto-leveling feature simplifies the setup process and ensures consistent first layers for successful prints. Number 1. IEMAI PETG Filament 1.75 mm Dual Color Gradient. Experience a mesmerizing dual color gradient, transitioning smoothly from blue to purple. Its translucent finish adds depth and beauty to your artistic creations and decorative models. Unleash your creativity with high-speed printing capabilities, reaching up to 600 mm. This filament ensures stable extrusion and clean prints, even at rapid speeds, perfect for fast prototyping. Enjoy strong bed adhesion and excellent interlayer bonding for consistent, durable prints. It's tougher than standard PLA, making it ideal for both long prints and larger models. Our filament boasts a precise 1.75 mm diameter for smooth extrusion every time. It comes neatly wound on a tangle-free spool, vacuum sealed to maintain optimal quality. For best results, consider drying the filament before use and adjusting settings like wall thickness and model size. Refer to our recommended temperatures and speeds for optimal performance. What we like. This PETG filament offers a stunning gradient translucent visual effect with a smooth blue to purple color transition, perfect for artistic creations and home decor. It's engineered for high-speed printing up to 600 mm while maintaining excellent adhesion and durability. If you are aiming for unique decorative pieces and want to experiment with eye-catching translucent colors at high speeds, this filament is an excellent option. What people say. The printer is very easy to set up and start printing within 30 minutes. The print quality is excellent, with fine details and smooth surfaces. The auto-leveling feature works perfectly, ensuring consistent first layers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.